Did you know that your immune system is your primary line of defense against diseases? What if I told you that you could bulletproof it with a few simple changes in your daily routine? Hello, welcome to Active Life. Today, we'll explore how to strengthen your immune system based on scientific research. Often, we don't realize that small adjustments in our routine can have a significant impact on our health. The immune system is a complex network that protects your body against external invaders like viruses and bacteria. However, factors such as stress, poor diet, and lack of sleep can weaken this natural defense, leaving you more vulnerable to illnesses. Stay with me until the end to discover practical and effective tips to boost your immune system and protect your health. Let's learn how you can do this simply and enjoyably. Part 1. What is the immune system? First, let's understand what the immune system is and how it works. The immune system is the body's natural defense against infections and diseases. It consists of a complex network of cells, tissues, and organs that work together to identify and fight off pathogens like bacteria, viruses, fungi, and toxins. The main cells involved in this process are white blood cells or leukocytes, which include lymphocytes, T cells and B cells, and phagocytes. Lymphocytes are crucial in the immune response. T cells help destroy virus-infected cells and coordinate the immune response, while B cells produce antibodies that neutralize specific pathogens. Phagocytes, on the other hand, engulf and digest invading microorganisms and damaged or dead cells. This joint action keeps our bodies protected and functioning healthily. Think of the immune system as a team of superheroes. Lymphocytes are like the strategic leaders who plan the attack against invaders, while phagocytes are the frontline fighters, swallowing up the villains and cleaning up the mess. Each part plays a crucial role in ensuring the superheroes can protect the city, your body, from any threat. Now, what happens when these superheroes are overwhelmed? Several factors can weaken the immune system, such as chronic stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, sedentary lifestyle, and exposure to environmental toxins. When we are stressed, for example, our body releases cortisol, a hormone that can suppress immune function. Studies show that prolonged stress can reduce the efficacy of T cells, making the body more vulnerable to infection. Imagine you're living through a period of constant stress, eating processed foods, and sleeping just a few hours a night. Your immune system becomes overwhelmed and less efficient, like superheroes who are exhausted and poorly nourished. This leaves your body more susceptible to illnesses like colds, flu, and even more severe conditions. Now that we understand what the immune system is and how it can be weakened, let's move to the first tip on how to strengthen it: a healthy diet. Part 2. How the immune system weakens. Now that we know what the immune system is, let's discuss how it can be weakened. The immune system can be compromised by several factors, including chronic stress, poor diet, lack of sleep, sedentary lifestyle, and exposure to toxins. When we are under stress, for example, our body releases cortisol, a hormone that can suppress immune function. Similarly, a diet lacking in essential nutrients can prevent the immune system from functioning effectively. Chronic stress is one of the biggest enemies of the immune system. When you're stressed, the body goes into fight or flight mode, releasing cortisol and adrenaline. These hormones are great for dealing with short-term emergency situations, but when present at high levels for long periods, they can suppress the function of immune cells, reducing the body's ability to fight infections and diseases. Studies show that people under chronic stress have a weaker immune response and are more susceptible to colds and other infections. Think of stress as a supervillain weakening the superheroes of your immune system. If the heroes are constantly on high alert, they eventually become exhausted and unable to fight off the invaders. Poor nutrition is another critical factor that can weaken the immune system. Diets high in sugars, saturated fats, and processed foods do not provide the nutrients necessary for the optimal functioning of immune cells. Nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin D, zinc, and proteins are essential for the production and functioning of immune cells. Imagine you are constantly eating fast food, sweets, and sugary beverages. Your body doesn't receive the necessary vitamins and minerals, and the superheroes of your immune system don't have the energy and resources to fight off the invaders. It's like trying to fuel a car with water instead of gasoline. It simply won't work properly. Lack of sleep is another major villain. During sleep, the body produces cytokines, essential proteins for fighting infections and inflammation. Without adequate sleep, cytokine production is reduced, leaving the body more vulnerable to diseases. Studies show that people who don't get enough sleep have a weaker immune response and are more likely to get sick after being exposed to viruses. Sedentary lifestyle also plays a significant role. Regular physical activity helps improve circulation, allowing immune system cells to move through the body more efficiently. Lack of exercise can lead to weakened immune function and an increased risk of infections. Now that we understand what can weaken the immune system, let's explore practical tips to strengthen it in the next part of the video. Part 3. Tips for strengthening the immune system. Now that we know what can weaken the immune system, let's see how we can strengthen it. Eating a diet rich in fruits, vegetables, lean proteins, and whole grains provides the essential nutrients your immune system needs. Vitamins such as C, D, and E, along with minerals like zinc and selenium, are particularly important. Foods like citrus fruits, broccoli, spinach, yogurt, and almonds are great choices. Think of healthy foods as premium fuel for your body. They help keep everything running efficiently and avoid the blood sugar spikes that can lead to diabetes. It's like fueling your car with high-quality gasoline for superior performance. Make smart choices, such as swapping white bread for whole grain and sweets for fresh fruits. Include a variety of colorful vegetables in your meals to ensure a good supply of nutrients. Lean proteins such as fish and chicken are also important. How about a dish with grilled salmon, quinoa, and a spinach and avocado salad? Delicious and nutritious. Regular physical activity helps improve circulation, allowing cells and substances of the immune system to move through the body more effectively. Try to include at least 30 minutes of moderate exercise in your daily routine. Think of physical activity as an energy recharge for your body. When you stay active, you help your body use insulin more efficiently and keep blood sugar levels under control. It's like taking your car for a spin to prevent the battery from running down. You don't need to spend hours at the gym to stay active. Try to include at least 30 minutes of moderate physical activity in your daily routine. It could be a walk in the park, riding a bike, dancing in your living room, or even gardening. The important thing is to find something you enjoy and that keeps you moving. Sleep is crucial for immune health. During sleep, your body produces cytokines, proteins that help fight infections and inflammation. Try to sleep between 7 to 8 hours per night. Sleep is like a nighttime workshop for your body. During the night, your body makes essential repairs and prepares for the next day. Without a good night's sleep, your body doesn't have time to make these repairs, leaving you more vulnerable. Establish a regular sleep routine. Go to bed and wake up at the same time every day, including weekends. Create a conducive sleep environment with a dark and quiet room. Avoid screens and caffeine before bedtime. Practice stress management techniques such as meditation, yoga, or breathing exercises. Reducing stress helps keep cortisol levels under control, allowing the immune system to function properly. Stress is like a heavy app that's always running in the background on your phone, draining the battery. Managing stress is like closing that app so your phone works better and lasts longer. Set aside a few minutes of your day to practice a relaxing activity. It could be a guided meditation, a yoga session, or even a peaceful walk in the park. Finding time to relax can make a significant difference in your health. Drinking plenty of water helps flush toxins from the body and keep the cells of the immune system functioning optimally. Try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. Water is like oil for your body's engine. It keeps everything running smoothly and helps flush out toxins that can weaken your immune system. In some cases, vitamin supplements may be useful to ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients. Consult a doctor before starting any supplementation. Supplements are like reinforcements for the superheroes of your immune system. They help ensure you're getting all the necessary nutrients to keep your body strong and healthy. So, these are some simple and effective ways to strengthen your immune system. A healthy diet, regular exercise, good sleep, managing stress, adequate hydration, and considering supplements if necessary. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a like, subscribe to the Active Life channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss any of our future videos. Leave in the comments if you have other tips to strengthen the immune system or if you've already implemented these changes in your life. Thank you for watching and see you next time.